Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Hyundai i30 SX wagon. Stock reference number 4411. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 4th month 2012. It has a G4 GC, 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. G4 GC, 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and rear end with the right hand headlight. It does have light sun cracks, right hand fog light, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, power fold type with indicator. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold mirror type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.